Suppose we have to apply any VCSA, CSA, and any role, you have to send registration. Then after you have to receive online exam, password and a link. Then after you have to complete the exam. That is okay, but you have to uh, stop in the second round or last round. In 6 rounds, you have to stop anything. Then the job application shows not moving forward means it's 90% of rejection, and 10% means then after complete my exam I have to receive this mail. Your application is currently being reviewed, and you will be notified by email once update has made to application. Then I have to receive this mail after completed my exam, and then one day after I have received this mail, we greatly appreciate the time, and at this time can't move with you, so we are rejected. And in this means not moving forward means this is 90% of rejection, 10% of maybe chances for recruiting. But in Amazon, daily Amazon has received thousands of thousand mails. You are not only one person to seeing that mail, so you can apply. Then after 90 days, again you have to attempt the exam. So this is what about not moving forward. Subscribe my channel.